Hello everyone and welcome to my new unboxing video when I will present you the new device that I just got recently and that I ordered from AliExpress. And this is my new portable speaker from the brand Mifa. I already love the packaging because it says just enjoy, and I'm sure that I will enjoy it. So let's see what's inside the box. Inside the box looks like this, and here is the speaker itself in a plastic bag. Looks like this. It's amazing. Actually, I ordered this because the first reason was the design. It looks so cool with this graffiti design, and you can get this exact model in like plain black or plain blue or plain red, so it has like the simple colors, but I really love this one, the graffiti one, because it matches my t-shirt and it looks really cool. So the design is amazing. About the sound quality is impressive because it has like a small size. It's only like this, and it fits in your handbag easily. And for its small size, like the sound quality is impressive because like it has like crystal clear sound and has like such a good bass that, to be honest, I was impressed that for a small size, how can it be so loud and have such a clear sound and great bass. So you can party with this on your holiday, you know, when you go on a weekend somewhere or on a holiday house or to the beach, you can use this. It's so cool. And what's inside in the box is like a manual which has different languages. Looks like this. It has English, Chinese, German, French, Spanish, and Italian, and it shows you like the main functions and the buttons, how they work, and you know, details about specifications. Dual channel plus bass is the speaker system, and the loudspeaker has dual 1.5 inches internal magnetic speakers plus low frequency amplifiers. So that's why the bass is so good, because it has an amplifier inside. It has a pretty good battery, like 2200, and yeah, you can also put micro SD up to 32 gigabytes, which is really cool, because when I wanted to buy a new speaker, a new portable speaker, I was thinking that I need a micro SD because I'm not always have my phone with me when I go to the beach, or I don't use like a Bluetooth device to connect with it. So that's really convenient that you can also put like a micro SD inside. And yeah, here's that thing that you open, and you can see there's the charging port and audio jack and a micro SD slot. So that's what it looks like. And yeah, in the package you also get included these. I will show you. You have like a detachable strap so you can hold it better, and this is the charger that you plug into the device and into the USB. And you also have this cable with 2 jacks, which is basically like you can just, I'm not sure, but you can just connect it with another device, you know, with these. And you can also use the true wireless stereo function when you can actually connect 2 of these speakers that I have never tried because I have only this one, but basically you can connect this to another device, to another speaker, which is really interesting. So yeah, kind of this is about the specifications. And now I wanted to show you like a sound sample. Like you can see how amazing it is when you're using it. And this time I will use like a Bluetooth device and I will connect it. So this is the on-off button. You just turn it on and has a LED that flashes, and we'll hear a sound. This ding, it means that it's turned on, and you have to press like the Bluetooth button, and this sound was the sound that your device is connected. So let's see the samples. So that's all. I think that you're now convinced that it has like an amazing sound quality and really good bass. So yeah, thank you for watching my video, and stay tuned for some more. Bye!